Naleda Apiwe posted this. I am so excited and grateful to share that I have been nominated. This means more to me than you know. Thank you for always supporting, streaming, showing up, and believing in me. If you can, please take a moment to vote for me. Every single vote counts, and I truly appreciate it. Let's do this together. Even though she has been in trouble for the past few days regarding her past comment about Zimbabweans, that can never outshine the hard work that she had to put in her career and in her craft. You know, she is talented naturally, but creating good music, I feel like, was icing on top of the cake. There's a lot of people who are not talented but are doing great music. So she does both. She does the both of that, and she is so talented at that. And I feel like she deserves to win. So, as her fans, we will be voting, guys. If you are her fan, please vote. So we'll be voting for her. She bagged herself 3 nominations at the Metro Awards, and I am so excited. This girl has been explaining herself regarding the Zimbabwe issue. The thing is that the internet does not forget, but the internet moves on. And that's it. Just keep on working. South Africa does not have cancel culture. Just keep on moving. Just keep on moving forward and keep on working. That's the best thing that you can do for yourself as an artist or someone in the public eye. Doesn't matter which industry you're from. And I am glad that Ona Lady is focusing on what matters. And what matters, honey, is us bagging those awards. So at least you can at least win one of those awards, guys. So please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you in my next video.